Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here to talk about my big 3 for hair growth. Now when it comes to hair growth, most of us want to achieve more hair growth because we want longer hair. This means that actual hair growth is important, but length retention is important too. So this big 3 is going to help you on both fronts. Now, my big 3 are cysteine, silica, and selenium. So let's start with cysteine. Cysteine is one of the most important amino acids necessary for hair growth. But not only does it help with hair growth, but it also helps to protect your hair from external damage like from the sun. So how do amino acids benefit your hair? They help to prevent shedding, they help to soften the hair, they protect your hair, they help with hydration, and they help to boost shine, which we all love. Cysteine will help with blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn helps with hair growth. Blood circulation to the scalp is very essential to healthy hair growth. Now, silica. So some do argue about whether or not silica helps with actual hair growth, but there's definitely a consensus amongst all that silica helps to make hair stronger, helping with length retention. Not only do we need strong hair for length retention towards our ends, because our ends do get weaker as they get older, but we do still need strong roots because oftentimes we are dealing with a lot of manipulation, especially when it comes to styling. We love to do different styles with our hair. If you have locks, some of us like to retwist regularly, and that can be hard on our hair if we're doing it frequently. So silica is absolutely necessary to keep your hair strong. And finally, to round off my big 3, selenium. Selenium is a mineral in the body that's really important for hair growth. So oftentimes, when we're dealing with hair loss, it could be because of the lack of selenium present in our hair products and in our diet. So I do want to emphasize that when it comes to cysteine, silica, and selenium, it is important for us to get it in our food sources. So proteins, healthy proteins. However, I do believe that it's great to tackle internal and external simultaneously for the best results. So when it comes to hair products, make sure that these things are present. If you've been following me for any length of time, you know I go up for horsetail herb. Horsetail herb is rich in all 3, cysteine, silica, and selenium. As a matter of fact, horsetail is one of the most abundant in silica compared to other plants in the world. Last I checked, the most abundant is bamboo. So bamboo is a great ingredient as well. Bamboo is actually present in my hair gel. Also, when it comes to styling products, you do want to make sure that the ingredients in your styling products do nurture your hair as well. Although, of course, you're not using hair gel to grow your hair, but you still want to make sure that the ingredients in your styling products are enhancing your hair and not just making it look good and put together. So shout outs to the Love Light Locs gel, okay? It's got bamboo and horsetail. But to address your hair product growth needs, I want to highly recommend the Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil. This oil is infused with horsetail herbs. That means that the herbs are soaked in this oil for an extended amount of time before it's strained, so that the properties of the horsetail is abundant in the oil itself. So that's why my customers have such amazing things to say about the Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil. Little do they know, one of the reasons why they're getting so much growth with this oil is because it has the big 3. Definitely check out the Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil for your hair growth needs. And if you're interested in a free download on many ways that you can nurture your hair growth, things to implement, things to avoid, check out my free ebook. I have the link down below for you to get access to my free ebook, absolutely free. No purchase necessary for the ebook. So check that out. And stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed because I'll be continuing my hair growth series, okay? So this is the first one to kick it off, my big 3. If you use the Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil, please leave a comment down below and let me know how you like it, how have your results been. And I'm going to continue to root for you on your hair growth journey. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Thumbs this video up and share it to somebody who you think will value it. As usual, check out KeishaCharmaine.com for all of your hair growth and lock product needs. And accessories too. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.